Hi, online scholars. This is Professor Harmon. I'm just reaching out to you because I know many of you have received your analysis paper grades back, and I think many of you are a bit surprised by the feedback and by the grade. So please don't be discouraged. Your writing assignment should serve as a learning opportunity, and I would advise you to really look at my comments that I provided within the essay, as well as the feedback that I offered on the rubric. And I would advise you to actually revise the essay. So if you would like to revise the essay, you may submit it by April 7th. I would suggest that you just send me an email, let me know that you would like to revise it, and then take some time to really look at my comments, make an appointment at the Writing Center, or make an appointment to meet with me, either virtually, in person, or on the phone. And I can walk you through some ways to actually incorporate effective transitions, improve the focus of your paragraphs, as well as setting your papers up properly as far as MLA formatting guidelines go. So what you see in front of you right now is a sample paper. This was one of your peers' papers that she submitted. I did change the name, but I just want you to look at the format of it. Okay, so you'll notice that the heading up in the upper left-hand corner is double spaced. You'll notice it's the student's name, my name, the class, and then the due date. You'll notice there is a header. There is a page number in the upper right-hand corner. And then the title. The title should be centered. It's not underlined. It's not italicized. It's not bold-faced. Okay. You'll also notice as you go through, and this is just, these are just surface things right now. We're not really looking at the content. I just want you to look at the layout of the paper. I want you to take a look at the in-text citations. So anything that you paraphrase or you quote directly should have an in-text citation. That should include the author's last name and the page number. Notice there are no commas. All right, that is proper MLA format. You can find the proper way to cite online. You could Google MLA formatting guidelines, and you can find several credible sources to help you with that. I've also uploaded several sources on Blackboard. Going through, you'll notice the citations. When you're citing a web source, as long as it's credible, if there is no author, you'll want to cite the title of the article. If there's no page, you'll want to cite the paragraph number. And then going through the works cited page. The works cited page should actually have a page number as well. All of the pages should have a page number. Let's just add it here. Let's say it's 4 or 5. Okay. Notice that the entries need to be alphabetized based on the first word in the entry. You'll notice also that let's add it right now, every entry should end with a period. All right. And every entry should have a hanging indent. That means that that second line is indented. All right. Notice how this writer incorporates many secondary sources. So she hasn't just cited the primary text. She didn't just cite barn burning, but she also cited a couple of scholarly secondary sources to establish her credibility. Please look at the rubrics, look at all the resources that I've posted online. It's really important that you follow the directions carefully and that you look at all of the rubrics that I uploaded to help you succeed. And also, moving forward, as you analyze a text, so in addition to summarizing what the text was about, and in addition to saying how the author actually shows a theme that you're talking about, what you want to do is you actually want to talk about, well, what is the purpose of the author discussing that theme? And also, what is the effect on the reader? What type of insight does that theme or that scene in the text, what insight does that provide us with? All right, what is the effect? What are the implications? So always take it a step further. You want to go beyond just saying, well, this is what happened in Faulkner's Barn Burning, and this is, this scene shows the American dream, Why? Why did Faulkner focus his text on showing his reader that, let's say, the American dream was unattainable? What was the message, right? So take it a step further, really take your time to conduct some scholarly analysis and always revert it back to your thesis, okay? It's really important when you're writing a formal paper that you use third person voice. Stay away from saying I think, I believe, I want to argue. Stay in third person voice, use a formal voice, formal tone, and if you need any help with transitions, paragraph development, paragraph organization, please feel free to contact me. If you also need an extension for the revision, I'll be happy to help you out with that. All right. Don't get discouraged. Stay focused, and remember the primary objective is to improve your writing. All right. Any other questions? Just reach out to me. You can give me a call or send me an email, and I'll be in touch. Take care.